Hey everybody, how are you? A couple of videos ago, I took these. I took these. These are from the Dollar Tree, and I guess they're little sun catchers that you're supposed to paint. But I decided not to paint them. I took the images off the back and I made them tags. So these are going to be from to and from. In fact, I'm going to probably do that with you too today. That's what I'm using them for. You can hang them from a string and put them in your window. They're not going to be sun catchers, but they're going to be pretty to look at. But I thought, how cute if these were gift tags or just a cute little gift. So to take it to the next step, I wanted to put them into one of my boxes. And I do love to create boxes. And I figured if I made a box to put these in that kind of matched it in Disney style, I'd share that with you. So it's going to be this design concept. And these are all previous videos that I've done, but you know what? Boxes for me never get old. This is the template that I use. This template will be on my Facebook group. And the name of my Facebook group is Donna, Powered by Creativity. And in the files, you'll find this and these. This file is in there. It's a PDF. So please go there, join that group, use the files. But I figure we'll make boxes for each individual set. And then they're cute little gifts. enjoyed this quick little craft. I like how it goes with, you know, you can do it for anything you want to use it for, or you can use it for these cute little sun catchers slash pads. But this craft is now complete. I can use them, give them away. They're ready to be gifted.